Okay, what I've done is I've placed 2 pieces of cheddar cheese on the Roomba, and the dogs are locked in the bathroom. They don't know what's going on. I'm going to turn the Roomba on and let them out and see how long it takes them to notice it, because they love cheese. Hey, y'all, come on out. You see, they're suspicious, and there's something going on. Walk right by, didn't even see. There it goes with his cheese. Now see, he smells it. He just doesn't know where it is. He's looking for. There it is on the other side of the kitchen island. And he kind of gave up, figured, oh well, that's in my imagination. If I can get them used to the fact that there was some food on the Roomba, they'll check it constantly. Every time they see it, they'll run and sniff it. What is it, Jack? I don't have anything. You better go check the other places. I don't know if you can see it's way over there. He smells it. He just does not know where it is. He knows there's some grocery somewhere. This might be it. Maybe moment. Now he still smells it, but he hasn't noticed where it's coming from yet. He's still in the search. It's way over there. I don't believe it, wait. Alright, now by remote control, I'm going to bring it closer and put it to run in a spot clean pattern right in front of him. So maybe he'll get it. Maybe not. He has to have noticed it by now. I think he just saw it. It's going to be hard to grab him because he's rotating. I think he sees it. Yeah, he definitely sees it. I'm trying to figure out how to get it. He wants it. He's kind of afraid of it. It's going to get ready here in a minute though. Jack, you know, he's going to get it. I'm going to stop it and see if it'll get ready again. I'm going to start it as soon as he gets close. What is it, Jack? Is that a treat? Is that cheese? Look at the cheese right there. See it? Look, there's the cheese. Look at the cheese. Rim, you're always in the shot. Move your ass. Move, Rim. Rim, go. My battery's died in my little camera here. He's contemplating whether he should eat that cheese because he knows about it now. I'll turn it off. I'll turn it back on as soon as he gets close. He can't stand it. He loves cheese. It's one of his favorite foods. He's going around and around, mimicking the circular motions of the Roomba, waiting for the moment when he can spring into action. Oh, you're not. He's trying to make up his mind. He can't stand it. I don't believe it, gave up. Alright, he's just too afraid to approach the room, so what I've done, I took one of the pieces of cheese off, I gave him half of it. Here's the other half. Notice he gobbled it right down. Now I'm going to move the Roomba closer and see if he'll be brave enough now that he's tasted the forbidden fruit. Seeing if he'll actually go for it. I don't have it. You know where it is. He's considering it. He doesn't like that thing. When we first brought it home, he tried to sniff its ass as it was vacuuming along, and he noticed it had no ass to sniff. He just sniffed the part that was behind it as it traveled along. I guess since it had no smell, it seems suspicious in some way. He really wants that cheese. He got very... trying to figure out a way to get it. The floor sure is going to be clean right there. See him licking his lips, he loves cheese. Alright, I'm gonna stop it on. Now it's being still. He's contemplating. Should he try? Get it, Jack. Get the cheese. Get it. Get it, boy. It's safe. As soon as he goes forward, I'm gonna turn it on. He's saying, well, looks safe. Doesn't appear to be moving. Guess it's okay. Oh, look, Jack. Get that cheese, get it. He got real brave that time. Climb over the shop. You gotta try to eat that cheese, but he's just so scared of that thing. It's like an alien creature. Alright, now I'm gonna try something different. If you won't cooperate, I'm gonna drive the rainbow here. I'm gonna take the cheese off it, but I'm gonna lay it right beside the rainbow. Maybe when you bring it up to get it in. He's getting upset. I guess I'll tell him, Jack, you want this cheese? Get it. Get it, there it is. There you go. See, that wasn't so hard. Jack, now Remy, there's your cheese. Maybe I have to train him to eat off of it, and then that's what I gotta do. Alright, part 2 coming up. Okay, each dog just had a piece of Oscar Mayer honey smoked turkey breast. As you can see, they want more. And here it is. I'm gonna put this on the Roomba. Now, they seem to love this stuff a lot more than they love cheese, so we're gonna put the Roomba right here and turn it on in that circular cleaning pattern as soon as they come out. They should notice in a second. Hey, look, look at the snack. Oh shit, no problem now. Oh well, it's the end of that experiment. Just hadn't had the right bait.